joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita is on the broadcast with us. Ridhita, the details of the complaint are very, very gory and very, very shocking. The girl has detailed the entire incident and has filed a complaint with the police officials. What are the details of the accused? We are told that they were students of the very same college. What are the details?
Absolutely, as we have understood, horrific incident happened yesterday in one of the prominent colleges of South Calcutta out here, in the night of 25th, one former student along with two current students were involved in gang raping this girl. To be given to understand that Monojit Mishra, who is the youth wing president of the very college, who was a former student and now a casual staff, who is the prime accused in the case. The girl had complained against him that Monojit Mishra had actually proposed her a position in the very party, and after which that was also accompanied by a lot of other slurry proposals that was involved. But given to that, we understand that she had rejected it, and after the rejection happened, she was called. She was asked to wait outside the union room. Later in the union room, when this verbal spat continued, she tried to heckle her, and in this process, Zaid Ahmed, who was the 19-year-old current student, also known to be the classmate of this very girl, held her hand, and the other one, Poti Mukhopadhyay, the 20-year-old one, was also involved in this. They held her hand and let Monojit Mishra rape her. The scuffle started from the union room and later was followed to the guard room, as we understand, where that entire incident took place. And as the complaint of this girl mentions, it's bone chilling, you see, where she has written that she was hit with a hockey stick. Her parents, she was threatened that her parents would be arrested, and thirdly, she was also told her partner would be killed to death. It did not stop there, but then while this rape happened with her, she was videographed, and it was said that if she opens her mouth anywhere, then this video will be surfaced outside.
He raped her and then recorded her and also blackmailed her. Ridhita, stay with us. Based on the complaint, an FIR has been registered and the accused have been booked for gang rape and wrongful confinement of the victim. The alleged mastermind of the crime is Monojit Mishra, a former student of the college who was also working as a staff member there. Now, soon after his arrest, Monojit's affiliation with the ruling party, the TMC, started doing the rounds. As per his Facebook bio, Monojit was the president of the TMC youth wing in the same college. Even the BJP alleged that the TMC connection of the accused is now clear, releasing his pictures with the TMC leaders, including the MP Abhishek Banerjee. Stepping up the attack on the Bengal government, the BJP demanded the resignation of the chief minister.
লোক তো নেই দিনায় জামা খুলিয়ে এই রাজ্যের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী চেয়ারে থাকার যোগ্যতা নেই। আমরা এই চেক আপ করছি এবং খুব বড় জিনিস হবে, বড় বড় হবে।
मुख्यमंत्री हमेशा रेप की घटना को छोटी घटना बोलती है और हमेशा इसको दबाने की कोशिश करती है, तो इस समय यही हो। मुख्यमंत्री हमेशा रेप की घटना को छोटी घटना बोलती है और हमेशा इसको दबाने की कोशिश करती है, तो इस समय यही हो।
Now, the crime is bone-chilling, but the response of the ruling TMC shows their sickening mentality. The TMC MP, Kalyan Banerjee, blamed the victim instead. He said women should be careful with whom they go out, and he said it is impossible for the police to ensure security in every college.
প্রাক্তনরা ঢুকলো কি করে? তাদের সঙ্গে নিঃসন্দেহে প্রাক্তনরা যখন ঢোকে তখন সেই নিঃসন্দেহে কিছু লিঙ্ক আছে। প্রাক্তনও আর যাই হোক, সে তো ছাত্র, সে তো পুরুষ। সেই পুরুষদের বিরুদ্ধে কেন মহিলারা লড়ছে না? জায়গায় কি পুলিশ দাঁড়িয়ে থাকবে? আপনারা বলছেন যে প্রতিটা ইনস্টিটিউশনে পুলিশ দাঁড়িয়ে থাকবে, এটা তো হয় না। তাহলে যারা ঘুরছে, যাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে, তাদেরও ঠিক করা উচিত কাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে, কাদের সঙ্গে ঘুরছে না।
The TMC also denied the key accused's link with the party with the West Bengal minister Shashi Panja, saying that the student elections in the law college haven't been held for years. She added that in the last student committee, it was formed in 2022 and the names of the accused were not in it.
तृणमूल कांग्रेस सभापति ने भी इस बात को खुलासा कर दिया कि वैसे भी तो स्टूडेंट के इलेक्शन नहीं हुए। 2022 में जो लास्ट कमेटी बनी थी उस लॉ कॉलेज में, तब ये जो आरोपी हैं उनके नाम नहीं थे, तो तृणमूल कांग्रेस के संग उसका कोई रिश्ता नहीं है। रही बात कि हमारे विभिन्न नेताओं के साथ इस लड़के की तस्वीर देखिए, नेताओं के आसपास में बहुत लोग मंडराते हैं। फोटो लेने का आजकल जो एक टेंडेंसी है, सभी फोटो लेना चाहते हैं, सभी सेल्फी लेना चाहते हैं।
Now, while Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has targeted the Mamata government, accusing the state government of protecting predators, Akhilesh defended the TMC government, saying that the BJP is trying to take political benefit out of the gruesome crime.
मैं बंगाल के लोगों से और खासकर आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री से कहना हूं, बहुत सावधान रहिए बीजेपी से। कोई भी घटना होगी, अगर आप निष्पक्ष भी कार्रवाई करना चाहेंगी तो उससे पॉलिटिकल लाभ लेना चाहते हैं बीजेपी के लोग। आए दिन यहां बलात्कार हो रहे हैं यूपी में। आप सोचिए, अयोध्या सबसे पवित्र धरती, वहां बलात्कार हो गया। लखनऊ में बलात्कार होते हैं, कहां नहीं होते। और महिलाओं की छेड़खानी में सबसे आगे उत्तर प्रदेश है।
जब बंगाल के मुख्यमंत्री खुद एक महिला होते हैं तो एक कलकत्ता में आरजी का जैसे घिनौनी घटना घटती है, जहां हमारे घर की बच्ची को बलात्कार के बाद हत्या और हत्या पर कोई विचार नहीं होते हैं। और ये सिलसिला जारी है, एक के बाद एक, मतलब लगातार ये बलात्कार, जबरदस्ती और अत्याचार महिला पे जारी है। ये सब टीएमसी पार्टी के दरिंदे हैं। टीएमसी पार्टी को अगर कोई दरिंदे होते हैं तो उनके लिए सब कुछ माफ है।